is she doing? Whatever she wants. What do you want, please? Hi guys, what the fuck am I doing? Hi guys, welcome to It's Nene. Today we are going to Stratford to meet Jiven and Elise, the siblings. Subscribe to all of our YouTube channel, Your Faithfuls with Jude, Elise and Jiven. So I'm going to put it down below. Who's knocking on my door like that? But oh well, no one cares. My hair's straightened, so I'll see you when I'm on the bus. Guys, I'm waiting for the bus. I just bought a mask. I don't like wearing masks. I get too agitated. And my pain in my eyes, it's raining and my hair's straightened. Oh, the bus is here, that's fine. Oh, I've got the full deco to myself. Don't be calming. And who are these people trying to go in front of me? Lord, no, it could never be. So yeah, I'll film when I'm on the bus. My hair's messy. Yeah, my hair's messy. Fucking hell. I keep on swearing I need to stop because if there's little kids watching my shit, then it's not healthy, is it? Yeah guys, that's it. So yeah, my hair is a mess now. I should have brought out a brush with me. Yeah, my hair goes bare frizzy, like. Well, why did I freeze? My hair goes bare frizzy when it's straightened. You see it? Yeah, I'll just re-straighten it when I get back home. But yeah. Guys, I'm with them lot, yeah. They took an hour, like seriously, I was waiting at Stratford bus station for an hour. But yeah, look what he's doing. What is he doing? Hi. So yeah, we're gonna see if JD's open to get her whatever she wants. What do you want? Clothes or trainers? Huh? What do you want? Trainers, everything's open. Oh trainers, my God. She wants trainers. Hi. So yeah. No, not now, let's start. Guys, my hair's messy. We're going premiere in my own Westfield. We're going premiere in. Yeah, and then let's, and then let's record there. And then what's it called? How much is one? I need a brush. 70. No, 35. Brush. I need a brush. No, I'm joking. So, yeah. Guys, I look like a boy, yeah? Let's go so only cause, yeah? Look at my hair. So now I have to put my hair back because it's raining outside. There's all stuff. So we're... Why? So we're currently in Canary Wharf. Wait. So we're currently in Canary Wharf. Yeah, I'm still with them. But yeah. Yeah. Jiven?
Yeah. Stop it. Get some help.
Wait, drop your snaps and stuff. Wait, I'll just put it on the screen or I'll put it in the description. I'll just put it in the description down below. So yeah. Guys, don't look at my hair. Ow, being through. Yeah, I'm back today. Blowing and everything. I'm finally on the bus. Yeah, I've left them now. They've gone back to their. Sorry, the camera's cut. Yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm ending the video here. Bye.